Well, if you happen to use any Canon cameras and then you have it wired through EOS Utility wherein you are shooting it remotely by connecting it through an USB 3.0 cable or USB-C cable, and then you're recording it through microphones such as like the Shure MV7 by connecting its XLR out to the Canon's microphone jack. So if you kind of hear sort of electrical distortion, that probably because you might be connecting the external power that is being supplied by the USB-C cable to the microphone. For example, I'm gonna connect the USB-C cable. For example, now you could hear the distortion. So that's probably because of I just learned that XLR mics, they power like they provide a low voltage to the microphone, so we do not need an external power source such as this USB-C cable. So I can just take it off, so it's here, so I can just unplug it. Now you could see the difference, right, you do not see the distortion anymore. That's just because I just have the XLR plugged into my camera. Probably I was trying to figure out like things to check, see if anything else is causing the distortion by changing the cables and stuff like that, and nothing worked. And obviously, like taking off the USB power supply from the microphone and then just letting the XLR do its job of transmitting the low voltage to the microphone, thus powering the microphone, wherein also transmitting the audio to my camera. So that solves the distortion issue that I had. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.